Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here in the shop. We're going to be working on the 550.
Nice.
Installing the contents of that box up there on the sunroof. So, this here is a cold air intake kit for an N63 from ARM Motorsports.
That's pretty neat.
We're gonna get this thing here installed today. Should be pretty straightforward. We're gonna see how it sounds. I don't know if we'll be able to tell if it adds any horsepower, but it should sound better.
That's cute. I remember when I had my first beer.
This also has the front-facing kit. If you look on their website, there's the cold air intake kit and then the front-facing kit. So it'll actually put the air filters behind the kidney grills, which will be cool.
How neat is that?
So I think first thing first, I'm gonna start this up. It is warmed up, and we're gonna power brake it, and we're gonna see if we can hear the turbochargers or anything through the stock intake, because right now it's got stock intakes on it. As you can see. All right, as you see, you can't really hear much other than the tires squealing. You don't hear the blow-off valve or anything like that. I'm hopeful these intakes will change that. Let's get the box open and see what comes in the kit. All right, so here we are. Got the box. Cut her open. See what we have. You can get your installation instructions, the QR code, and A. There you go, that's worth the purchase right there. We got some stickers. I believe these are indeed the filters. Got a couple straight pieces. We got a couple air mass meter adapters. We have this little straight angle piece. We have another not straight angle piece, two of those. Two of these 90-degree silicone hoses. And then we have these two kits, which I believe is the front-facing part. And then clamps, 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 and some screws for the air mass meters. First things third, let's get this taken apart, get the stock intake tubes off of it, and we'll go from there. All right, so here we are under the hood. We got to remove the cover. We'll set that off to the side. And these are the stock air filter housings. Those have to come off. We'll take these two pipes, bars right here off, support bars. Then we can get these intake pieces off. And then we have some stuff we have to take off for the front-facing kit underneath the latches and up in the kidney grill area. All right, and with those installed, you can see the beautiful N63 engine.
Awesome.
Turbochargers are under here. Downpipes, catalytic converters are back there. Oh, you can see the front of the turbos there. So to do the front-facing part, we got to get some stuff out of here. We got to get the kidney grills out. We got to take these slats in behind the kidney grills out so those pieces can come through. All right. With all that stuff removed, this is the hood latch. This plastic piece underneath is the air inlet duct that's factory. We got to take those out. There's one on this side, one on that side, because that's where our front-facing kit comes in. It puts the filters right in here. Here we are with the hood latch removed. This looks like a T20, T25 screw right here holds this duct in. We need to get that out. I take the top of the bumper loose to see if that gives me a little more room to get in here. Take the grills out. Basically just pushing on these, pushing them down, then it snaps out of the bumper. Right, now here we are with the kidney grills removed. We need to get these pieces off on both sides. And then we can get our front facing kit on. I think these just slide out. All right, driver's side, passenger side. Pieces of broken plastic because my car is old and brittle.
That's so funny. The last time I heard that, I laughed so hard I fell off my dinosaur.
All right, so these and these for the front-facing kit. We'll set those over here. Let's put the rest of it together first. These here are for the air mass meters. So this goes in here and clamps, and then this end goes in the factory housing piece. All right, so for that, we need to take our air mass meters out. Those are T20 bolts. So they give you these new bolts for the housings. Put our air mass meters in here. Like so. Goes like that. And this goes like that. Just got to make sure the air flows through these air mass meters the correct way, or you will have issues. So let's test fit these up on the engine. Okay, I slid these back. Now I think we need to get the front-facing kit installed, and then we can put the piece in between them, then we can tighten all the clamps. All right, so here's our three pieces. The long piece goes down here. This aluminum piece has a longer end and a shorter end. The shorter end goes into this big tube. The same deal with this. This has a longer and shorter end. So that goes like that. Basically to get us up into the engine bay where we can mate this with the other piece. So it's going to be easiest to jam this through from inside the grill. All right, inside the grill, here's the long tube. There's the hole it has to go through. Basically, just have to try to jam it on in here. See where we're coming through here on the top. This requires two hands. All right. See, I got it through here. And here we are at the front, in where the grill is. Got to get the filter onto there at the right angle, which is very hard to do one-handed. Let me bring you back once I get this clamped. All right, there you go. Filter's installed. Now we just got to do the other end of it. Well, and this side. So we take this now, maybe somehow get it down here. Like that. And then this goes like this. And then this piece goes between the two. All right, I am going to set this up on a time lapse, get this all knocked out, and bring you guys back when I'm done. All right, there you have it. I set the cover back in place for now. You can see them coming over here, over there. If you look through the grill, I think you can see the filters in there.
Snap!
Start it up now and see if you can hear the turbos.
Nice.
I would say, yes you can. Let's take it for a drive. All right guys, so here we go on a test drive to see what this thing sounds like. Again, I don't know if there'll be much of a noticeable performance gain, but it'll probably sound a little bit different. Now whether the camera will pick that up or not, couldn't tell you. And I know if I roll the window down, there will be a whole bunch of wind noise, which will not be helpful. Never mind all of the noise from my snow tires. Yeah, with the window down, you can definitely hear the turbos. Alright, let's do one launch and see. Alright, I think 80 miles an hour is fast enough. Again, can't really tell much with the windows up. These cars are pretty well insulated. But with the window down, you can definitely hear a difference. Alright guys, so that's that. Intakes fit pretty good, they sound great. So we have one more project on this car that'll be another video. And that's these boxes here that say something about performance exhaust. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of this. And make sure you're subscribed. Doesn't cost anything, helps out. But thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Take care.